Who does he think he's fooling? Helpless little lad. He gives me the
Oh
shivers.
my god. Oh, I'm free. Alright.
Picking on that poor little helpless little boy. Yes, poor little helpless boy. Oh, 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 oh.
You told me a lie, Car. You said I could trust you.
It's like you said. You can't trust
Oh
anyone.
shit. Alright, I'm out.
If I never see that skinny little shrimp again, it will be too soon. Oh, my sacrilliac.